The last time I worked on the phone mapper design, we wrote the class skeleton for the phone map, and we wrote the unit tests for the phone map. Since then, it occurred to me that I never wrote down a formal test plan, so I'm going to do that. Let's make a test plan. And I did introduce some data before, so this will be the data. Test case 1, input, and then given that input, I know that the translation should yield the first 3 matching to the same account number. So the expected results is that 269 is going to be the winner, and the words should come out in the order bow, boy, cow. Well, they come out actually, my current design doesn't have them coming out in any order. So let me fix the design, because that way I'll be able to write automated tests if I know the order that the words are going to come out. So let me go back to my design and change it so that when I get the results, when I get the words for the account, let's get them as a list. List of words in alphabetical order. So now I need to add list here in my imports. And compile that. And now my phone map test won't compile because I've changed the signature. This set is now going to need to be a list. And where else? This one needs to be a list. And this one. And then let's do the next test case. And it's going to be almost like the first test case, except let's get rid of boy. Now I'm going to have 3 winners. So that's going to look like 228 is going to have bat and cat, and 9676 is going to have worm and worm. But if these aren't ordered, I won't know what order the account numbers come out. So to make automated testing easier, let me change it so when I get the winners come back in alphabetical order also. So let me change the winners. Here, when I get the results, let's get that back as a list also. Now, once again, my unit tests are going to fail because I changed that from set to list. And here. Okay. Now that I know the actual order these are going to be returned in, I can improve my tests to, rather than just see if the list contains a value, I can actually check to make sure it's in the proper position. So in test update, after I update 22233 and I get the results, it's going to contain 222, and that's the only one. This one's going to contain 333, and that's the only one. But now in this test, there's actually two winners, and I know which order they should be in. They should come up 2 and then 3. So actual dot get 0 should actually be equal to 222. And in this case, that should be that one. 222 should come up first, 223 should come up second. So that should be position 0, that should be position 1 in the list. Okay, similarly when I'm retrieving phone words, in this case there's only one word. In this case there's 2 words for 222. And I know what order they're going to be in. A is going to come up first. So I can make this test a little more precise. Should also be equals. Okay. And then any others? 3, yes. In this case, 333 should have 3 words associated with it. Oh no, 4 words associated with it. So let's make sure that alphabetically the first word should be DEF. And in this one, there's only one word for 9. Okay. And we can add an extra test here. Because we know there's going to be 4 words. And the alphabetically last one is going to be EFGHI. And then in this last test, there's only one word. Okay. So now I have slightly more improved automated tests that can actually check the order in which the results come back. And I have test plan that shows the exact order in which the winners are returned and the exact order in which their words are listed. Okay, so this is going to be my test plan. Okay, good.